In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove a SharkBite Max fitting from a pipe. One of the major benefits of all SharkBite Max fittings is that they are able to be removed after installation. This may be for a number of reasons: to adjust the fitment, to change the fitting, or to reuse the fitting elsewhere. Disassembling SharkBite connections is a quick and simple process. To remove the fitting, use a SharkBite disassembly clip. Avoid using other tools as this may damage the fitting or the pipe. It is important to note the disassembly clips are available for both copper and PEX applications. To use the disassembly clip, snap the clip over the pipe and slide the non-printed side up against the demount ring. Press the clip against the demount ring and pull the fitting away from the pipe with a slight twisting motion. Take it to the max with SharkBite Max.